Alrighty, so we're in the office today and we're building a box fort. So I actually bought boxes for this, which is crazy. I'm with Xander here. Sorry, you're in like weird lighting.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm excited. This is gonna be like how long do you think this is gonna take, by the way, to make this? Like 3 hours? 2?
I think we could do it pretty quick. I think we could do it in an hour and a half.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. Speedy. Super quick. So we're gonna use like some tape and some bowls and all this stuff, but we had to clean our office too, so here's Ava Junior's box fort, which is like the cutest. Our other box fort, yeah, we're going box crazy, and balloons, which is cool. We should make a balloon fort. That'd be really hard.
Yeah, that would be.
I don't know how you do that, but this is cool. So we're cutting pieces, which is hard. So we lined out this. This is gonna be a tunnel. So we cut that, or we lined it up.
Tunnel that goes in.
Yes. Oh yeah. Where's our big knife? The knives are really scary. Like really
these are
scary.
terrifying.
All right, it's like the never-ending project here. So we got. I know. We're doing a good job though. So we got this bowl. This is cool. So inside, you have like this, and then it goes through there. That's kind of cool. So we're gonna use this as like a light, and then we'll add a skylight here, right?
Yeah, like a
clear
little
one.
like, see-through globe. Yeah.
So it'd be like kind of like the fish at like the aquarium.
Yeah,
you know, like the fish bowl.
See-through.
Yeah. And then this, and then this. Is seriously so much work.
It's like
So I think your hour and a half time frame was off.
Damn.
Yeah.
I was like, I had maybe 2 hours.
Yeah. Alrighty, we're getting there. Oh yeah, how long has it been? Let's see. We started around like 9:30.
Oh, 9:30?
Probably. Or it's 11:30. 2 hours. So I'm gonna win. I guess we still have to tape it all. So we made this cool little window. Like a little harp window with strings. So that's kind of cool.
It's like really
the kids can't climb out that way too, I guess. So here's like the whole design. We have the little roof. So Xander's making another window on that side right now. Thank you. And we have the tunnel for the entrance here. This is really cool. And now, yeah, we have to like, so we'll finish this window that he's making on this side, and then we can finally tape it.
Yeah, and it'll be done.
I know, it looks so cool. I'm proud of us.
That's awesome.
I turned off the filming lights. We're like, it's like so much time. Let's see. Oh yeah, wait. So what time is it? 1:26.
So man, over 4
hours. It took 4 hours.
So we were both out.
Hey, I said 3. I won that. So here's this. I love the golden arch. Honestly, it looks really good. We did a good job. So yay, it's awesome. Okay, so we'll have Ava and stuff come later.
Yeah,
but
she'll be so.
This is like insane.
She's like, what?
Okay, here's the complete product. Woo! Oh no! What's the base? The carpet? This takes up like this whole room. This is seriously, I can't believe we made it.
It's amazing.
Like, I really can't believe we made it.
That's like so good. Just to think, it's just a bunch of moving boxes.
I know. That's a crazy thing. And yeah, price-wise with everything, probably like 45 bucks.
I wish we couldn't bring this home, but
I know, it's too big. And it's raining. This is a good indoor thing though, guys.
Yeah, that's right.
For the rain.
Can we stay here?
Yeah, you can stay. Okay, climb.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You can't get me. Yes, I can.
Uh-oh, where's the cute little Eva? Ah, your head! I love those. Oh, hey! This does remind me of the McDonald's I would play with when I was a kid. Hey! Hi! Who wants to go through the tunnel? This is epic. Oh, there we go. Cute little Eva.
If you go, tag. Hey, you give me tag. And I'll show.
Oh no, we broke it already. No, not really. It's just a little. I was like, this is gonna break in like a little bit. There we go. Ta-da! All fixed. Okay, we are watching the Olympics and making a box fort. Or not box fort. Blanket fort. You want out? Hey, do you want to make puzzles? Play puzzles with me, buddy? I know. Hey, I'm getting them. Hold on. You can be nice. Can you say please? You say, you're the cutest little baby in the world. Hey, little guy. So we're playing with puzzles. Hey. Yeah. Oh, we've made a mess with our puzzles. Is that Mickey? Show Should we build it together, buddy? He was doing well. Here we go. Look. That is 9. Oh, wait. 5 right here? Okay, you can build it. You'll probably be so fast. Okay. Okay, we'll watch you build super fast. Okay.
Super fast.
Ah! Okay. He's like, I'm doing it. Hey, do you want to help baby Adam? Look, he's got the number 3. You gotta just turn it, buddy. There we go. Good job. Oh, hey, you're doing like a little aerial one. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, hey. Oh, number 3. Look. Number 3, like that. Good job, though, smart baby. Yeah. Did you put it on the right spot? Rectangle. Good job. This one's a little harder. Pentagon. Hey, good job, buddy.
I just finished.
Triangle. Man, you're a little smarty
I
pants.
finished it for him.
This is like his first time doing this puzzle, too. Seriously. Diamond. Man. Seriously, he's like doing it. Well, I mean, he can't read the words. Oh, wait, right here. Right here. There we go.
And he put this one upside down.
And then, here we go, trapezoid. Oval, circle. Ah, let's get it. Here we go. You want to do those? Put together Washington, D.C.? Hey, buddy, do you remember these landmarks in D.C.?
Yeah.
You do?
I can only picture this by remembering the one in...
Oh.
What was this?
Oh, you saw one in Boston?
Yeah, Boston. Can only picture this, but with the one in...
Yeah, the Washington Monument. Man, we used to go to Washington Monument. I probably have like 50 pictures of you with it. Yep, there's the White House. Oh, all done. Good job. Oh, man. Yep. You've been there a lot. We went to the Jefferson like all the time. Yeah, right here. Uh-oh. Oopsie. I'll look upstairs for it. And he said you did it. Also fast, too. Let's see. It's a little cute mermaid. That is perfect. Okay, you can build another one.
Which one do you want?
Maybe do the pink one, like the ballerina one.
No, I'll do this one.
Okay. Says a spatula contest.
This is in her training, but you can't get off the rack.
Ooh, so they gotta stay on the towel. Yeah, hey, this is actually good. It's kind of like Luke Skywalker training Rey here, huh?
Not really.
I think really, but with spatula sabers. Oh, whoa, you almost got your foot off, buddy. Oh man, Rey might beat you, Luke Skywalker.
Hey, look, my name is Alex's name is
Oh, cute.
My name is.
Here, wait, let me put BB on my feet, bud.
My name is.
What?
My name is the Salty Lightning.
The salty lightning?
And here's something I have to say.
What?
Eating a pack of salt was a terrible idea before this.
Yeah, that's funny.
I have the Salty Lightning. And my name and I have the shine. And your name is Miss Princess.
Miss Princess?
My name is what she
Shine?
No, you cannot
Eva?
defeat the salt. And you can't fall out and fight the one.
Yeah.
The easiest to beat for me is a snail.
Salt snail.
The watery kid, I can float either way. Nice and
Oh man. Yeah, so you could be the water. Yeah.
Salt makes stuff last longer.
I know, but she's water, man. You need water to live. Actually, you need salt to live too.
That's what we're
Whoa, uh-oh. Man, you guys just got defeated by a baby. Look, he brings swords and lightsabers into this.
He's climbing into the teeth.
Yeah, look at him. He's like, rawr.
Okay.
That is the cutest. Hey, buddy.
Okay. That's
Yeah.